traveling to Bombay. I'm whispering because there's around me. And I have my AirPods in, so I always think my AirPods will pick up the sound with their mic, but it does not. So I'm hoping this is like you can hear me. But I'm traveling to Bombay. I have a little bit of flight anxiety. I'm also I also think I'm getting sick. Not sure yet. This is so awkward in public. I'm going to go see my best friend. She lives in Bombay now. Other than that, I don't have anything else for you right now. Is that my own hair? Yeah.
तो 11:30 से पहले मत
We can't just take clips from my Instagram to put it on to the YouTube. YouTube people deserve different. Should I take my mic out?
Yeah, take it out. Oh, you brought it out?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Hello. How bad is the background noise, realistically? You know what? I don't mind doing this in Bombay as much because, like, Delhi people stare at you when you do shit like this. I once vlogged at Got Tea, and everyone around me was looking at me, and the guy next to me, this white man, was listening in the entire conversation, and he literally would snicker when I made jokes. We're at where are we? Bandra Bond. I think we should review the food for them, right? Okay, because I don't have much to say to you guys.
I would say maybe let's not have high hopes with the food. Maybe because I've heard that the cocktails are nice, but the food is like, you don't want to drink? Oh, because Tanya is dehydrated. Jokes. You're on holiday. You're on holiday.
Of my life is complaining. How am I supposed to make conversation if I'm not complaining? Like realistically.
Try it out and see how it is. Maybe once, Don't diss it. Don't diss it before you try it. You want kadak nimbu sharbat?
Oh,
Not nice.
that was spicy.
Yeah.
And sour, which I like. It's not bad. But that was an attack on my mouth. Review the drink, please, Vaishnavi.
2.5.
Oh my god, okay, it's not that bad.
I feel like I would develop a cold if I finish the entire drink.
I'm already developing a little bit of a cold from since Delhi, so rate your beer, Vaishnavi.
10 on 10. It's dependable, it never disappoints, and it's not gonna burn my throat.
Okay, we're reviewing the food. I already took some bites. I like him. But I hate when you can't taste crab as crab. Like, the seafood. Do you want to taste it? It tastes like masala. Like, seafood is so delicate that you just kind of need to, like, let it live. And when you put in so much masala, it, like, dies. Vaishnavi is gonna rate the bread because she is a vegetarian.
It's a croissant pav actually, to be very specific. You know those puffs that you get? Outside is like a puff, inside is like a croissant, which is quite interesting. Always nothing like a pav, so I don't know why they're calling it a pav. But I'm just gonna taste the crab as well. Yeah. You know, seafood has a very specific smell.
Yeah.
Fragrance, I would say, because I love it.
Seafood smell.
I'm getting that towards the end. I don't taste the crab, but I'm getting that towards the end, which I like. And it has some very, very, very specific, I feel like Maharashtrian flavors, in fact. That masala.
Yeah.
So it's quite nice. I think, surprisingly, I would rate the bread a good 9. And I would rate the dip or whatever this is, the crab thing. I would rate it also 9 actually. I quite like it. Yeah, I like it. I mean, for my palate, obviously, you being a non-vegetarian, you would like to taste more of the crab. Yeah.
I think the bread is like an 8. Just because I would like it to absorb more of the curry, you know, like a pav is absorbent as fuck. The curry thingy, I guess, like a 6. I really want like chunky crab meat, which I'm not. It's like stringy. This is, by the way, the tapioca chips and hummus and what?
Guac.
Guac? Habanero guac.
Guac and then habaneros inside.
Ew, hummus and guac? You chose that on purpose?
I don't know.
Okay, apparently Vaishnavi did not know it was hummus and guac together. Is
She
it?
said habanero dip.
But is it? But is it tasty?
Yeah, not bad actually. So I didn't know this was gonna be guac and hummus. Okay, you told me habanero dip.
It's not bad in any means.
Yeah,
I just wish it was just guac
yeah, that's what.
because the hummus does not taste like anything. Like the hummus doesn't have any like sesame taste, chickpea taste. It's just like cream almost. Can you crunch on the chickpea for them?
Oh, it's soft.
Oh, it's soft? That's lame. Oh, I forgot to rate it. For being how confusing and weird it is, it's still yummy. So, 7? Yeah, 7. Okay, this is the what? The roasted pork belly with some carrot, something. I think it's like an 8. Vash tried the marinade because she didn't want to try the pork because again she's half vegetarian because you already saw her eat crab. We can't pretend you're vegetarian anymore.
I think the glaze would be a 3.
A 3?
A 3.
I thought you said it was not bad.
Like it's okay. That looks a little like something that's gonna dehydrate me. Or it's gonna be very dry because it doesn't have any. Also, I thought they said. Also, I thought they said tart.
I don't know, but
I'm starting to not believe their menu. They first catfished me into this thing because they said that it's gonna be habanero something. Then they give me avocado and fucking guac. No, avocado and hummus. And then now this looks like not a tart. Unless they mean this is a tart. I don't know. 5, 4, 5. I would say. Maybe I ordered the wrong thing.
do I have to try it? You give it a 5. The problem I think also is the fact that the crunchy bits are not crunchy at all. Don't order that.
Just feel like when something's like been in your cupboard for so long and then you go back to it and then you cook it. So that tart has a little bit of that fragrance and smell. Yeah, I don't order this.
Whatever you do, your work should involve creativity.
Yeah.
Yeah. But since number 9 is like
Bombay food's really crap.
Do you want to say it to my camera?
Let's start with
Bombay, like, what is the comparison?
Bombay and Delhi.
Bombay and Delhi. I've been to Delhi twice in my life, and I can say that the food in Bombay has nothing over Delhi, but everything else does. So that's not the comparison.
The mushrooms were
Mushrooming.
7 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10.
Okay. Lower than I expected. How was the corn?
Corn was 7.
7.5 is pretty high.
Actually, no, one second. Corn was 7. Mushrooms were 8.
Mushrooms were better.
Yeah.
Okay.
You never had the mushrooms.
No, but
Yeah.
we mostly just been drinking. So how was your drink?
Drink is great. All in all, alcohol was great.
Good stuff. Mine's weird. 1 second. There was an insect in my drink, so I guess that's 2
Don't
out
say
of
brand
10.
names.
I didn't say brand names. I said there's an insect in my drink.
Just in case.
Okay, that's it for tonight. We'll come back to you tomorrow.
This is to convince Tanya to move from
You
New
hit
Delhi
it.
to
You
New
hit it.
Bombay.
Tanya, come on, move from New Delhi to New Bombay.
Vaishnavi, say something for the vlog.
Why we suddenly started vlogging?
Say hi to them.
Hi. I'm having corn curd. It's nice. Eat. I like it.
Thank you. I love Cheng Fan. That's a 9.5. Do you want to rate the Cheng Fan quickly? Just
The chongpang, a 10 on 10 for sure. The crispiness is so nice. I had the chicken hot and sour with again I think a 9 or a 10 on 10. Excellent.
we also have the soup dumpling, which I will honestly, this is a low rating for a soup dumpling because all soup dumplings are great, but this one was average at best, so I will give it a 6. Soup dumplings just have like a wholesomeness to it, which I feel like this one just didn't. I don't even know if I rated the Cheng Fan. The Cheng Fan was a solid 10 out of 10 actually. If I said anything less than that, I apologize to the Cheng Fan community. What else? Spicy wontons? Not spicy enough. I don't know if we're going for dinner, so I will get back to you if we do. I'm trying to go to an Iranian cafe, but Vesh won't let me because they have nuts in their food apparently. So, okay, bye for now.